Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Today we shall start our active English lesson unit number 1. As you have done the poem Sea Animals yesterday, today we shall do the reading comprehension of this lesson or exercise. You have to recall in your mind what was in the poem. Actually, the poem was about sea animals who were moving freely, using their tails, looking for meals, and chasing other animals. Let's start the exercise. Open your books at page number 8. It is just a text through which you can take help while you were reading question and answers. For this purpose, open your books at page number 9. Let's start exercise. Yes, at page number 9, it is reading comprehension, part A. Answer the questions. Question number 1. What are the snails and whales doing? Yes, all of you have remembered or maybe recalled in your mind what snails and whales were doing. Yes, the answer is they were using their tails. Good, very good. Okay, question number 2. What are the seals and eels doing? Recall again in your mind. Eels or seals क्या कर रहे थे? Yeah, they were looking for meals. Good. Okay, now question number 3. What are the catfish and flatfish doing? Again, you can think over it. What these animals are doing? They are chasing fat fish. Good. Yes, now move towards the last question. Question number 4. What does this poem describe? You can give the answer yourself. There is no need to just you can give the answer according to your own thinking. अपनी व्यूज़ अपने ओपिनियन के मुताबिक आपका जो दिल चाह रहा हो आप वो कह सकते हैं, लेकिन आपको एक दफ़ा ज़रूर उस पोएम को अपने माइंड में लाना होगा जो हम लास्ट टाइम पढ़ चुके थे कि क्या किस चीज़ को ये पोएम डिस्क्राइब कर रही है. Yes, the whole poem is going to tell us about the activities of sea animals. So you can write in your own words that this poem tells us or describes the activities of different sea animals. Everyone has done good. Okay, you just have to do these questions and answers orally. There is no need to write them right now. When I shall tell you when and how to write these questions and answers, then you will do it in your notebooks. Otherwise, you just do these 4 questions just as oral one. Okay? Understand? Good. Then move towards the next part, part B. Circle the correct answer. Now 2 options have given. You have to choose the correct one according to the sentence. Number 1. What do you see or hear in the sea? Yes. Do you hear the things or do you see the things in the sea according to the poem? You have to recall in your mind the first sentence of the poem. What do you see? Yes, see is the best answer. Number 2. Snails and whales using their fins or tails. Now again, recollect your ideas. Remember the poem that you have read and think over it. What these two animals doing? Yes, snails and whales using their tails. आपने ये बताना है कि ये दोनों एनिमल्स क्या यूज़ कर रहे थे, फिन्स और टेल्स, अपनी दुम या फिन्स, तो वो टेल्स यूज़ कर रहे थे. ओके. नंबर 3, seals and eels looking for meals or animals. Again, look at page number 8. What these two animals were doing? They were looking for meals. Okay, fine. Number 4, catfish and flatfish are chasing or racing fat fish. What these two fish doing? They were chasing the fat fish. So chasing. Okay, circle all these words. At number 1 it is sea, number 2 it is tails, at number 3 it is meals, and number 4 it is chasing. Okay, now turn over the page number 10, vocabulary. As you can see in the given picture, many kinds of animals live in the sea. Their names with their pictures are given. You have to remember exact spelling of these animals' name. Then you can complete the unscrambled words. The first animal which is given with the picture is sea snail, and the second one is seal, eel, crab, octopus, starfish, catfish, flatfish, whale, shark. Now you have read all these words. You can remember it with the spellings also. Okay, their spellings are, the first one is sea snail, SEA, sea snail, SNAIL, snail. Number 2, seal, 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 LEEL, L. Crab, CRAB, crab. Octopus, OCTOPUS, octopus. Starfish, STARFISH, starfish. Catfish, cat, FISH, fish, catfish. Flatfish, FLAT, flat, FISH, fish, flatfish. Whale, WHALE, whale. Shark, SHARK, shark. Okay, now keep remember these words with their spellings, and then do the next one. Unscramble the letters to write the names of sea animals. The first one is RCAB. It is crab. What's the spelling? CRAB. Crab. Yes. Number 2, L. EEL. L. Number 3, whale. The spellings are wrongly written. HEWAL. This is whale. 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 Yes. Number 4. What is this? ALSE. Do you understand? No. You have to try to scramble the words. Yes, it is seal. SEAL. Good. And the last one is O. Strange. RKASH. What is this? Yes, this is shark. SHARK. Good. Now you have to write all these unscrambled words at page number 10 with a lead pencil. Write it very neatly and carefully and learn these. Your homework is you have to learn page number 9 and 10. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.